Yoga Chittavritti Nirodha is the first sutra from which Yoga Darshan is started. And what is Chittavritti? We can find that the external organs, five sense organs, and five organs of action together are 10. And the internal organs that what we mention is called Antakarana, Manaha, Buddhi, Ahankara and Chitta. Mind, intellect, Ahamkaram and Chitta. Bhagavan Vedavyasa Maharshi has explained in his Vedanta Darshana in very detailed elaborate form that we will see afterwards. Here, as far as Chitta is considered, Chitta equals mind, Buddhi and Ahankaram. So, mind, the doubt maker, intellect, the decision maker, Ahankaram, the experienced person behind these two, gets merged in Chitta. Chintanam kartum iti Chitta. So Chitta is to be regulated, what Yogacharya Patanjali Maharshi says. So what type of Chitta? Chittavrittis are basically innumerable numbers. Finite, infinite. You can't even imagine what are the Chittavrittis. Patanjali Maharshi makes all these Chittas into 5 groups. Thus, he systematized Yoga Darshan. He also uses Pratyaksham, Anumanam, Upamanam and Shabdam as the Pramanas. Pratyaksha Pramanam is that which you directly experience. Anumana Pramanam is the inference that you guess and decide. Upamana Pramanam is the Pramanam, the knowledge derived from the comparison of what you already know. Shabda Pramanam is the wise sayings, revealed truth, especially our Vedas. So Pramanas are 8 in numbers: Pratyaksham, Anumanam, Upamanam, Shabdam, Arthabhakti, Anupalabdhi, Sambhavam and Aitihyam. The first 4 are considered to be most important Pramanas. Now, Yogacharya Patanjali Maharshi especially accepts Jivatma, Ishvara and Mula Prakriti. Almost equal to Vedanta Darshan. Mula Prakriti, Jivatma and Ishvara is the maximum faculties to be studied. Let us see that in detail in the next class. Hari Om.